You gonna get adjusted today? Yeah. All right.
Okay. Come here, Gia. All right, let's take a look here. Let's take a look. Your hips are off a little bit here. Okay. Ooh. Come over here. Come over here. Lay on your side. This is good for the tummy. Come here. Get your hips straightened up. Ooh. Lay on your back. Lay on your back. Cross your arms. Say, I love myself. I love myself. Say, I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Oh! That's all. Want me to do the neck and neck? Do a little one. Little one. Okay. Okay. You're good.
But Daddy forgot your head.
I got them all. Oh, the arm one?
Did Daddy forget one?
All right, sit down. Sit down.
It's a beautiful day today.
Oh, you want this one, huh, you? Oh, yo.
Is it looking better?
Looking much better. She's up.
All right.
You're
you
up,
are
Leo.
done.
All right.
Good job.
You have a nice...
How did your adjustment feel, Gia?
Good.
Yeah? You want to come back in and adjust us soon?
Yeah,
Say thank you, doctor.